Hello, good evening, friends. It's long time we had met, yeah? Yes. Now we have came with geography, study of Earth, planet, and solar system. Hope you are fine. Let's start. First question. Consider the following statements. A person in the spaceship located halfway between the Earth and Sun will notice that the sky is jet black. Second, stars do not twinkle. Third one, temperature outside the spaceship is as much higher than that on the surface of Earth. Of this statement, which is true? A. 3 alone is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. And D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So, a person in spaceship located in between Earth and Sun will notice what? Answer is 1 and 3. That is, sky is jet black and temperature outside spaceship is as much higher than that on surface of Earth. These are the two things experienced by a person in a spaceship when he is between Earth and Sun. Sky is jet black, but in case of Earth, we find sky is blue. Second one, diamond ring is a phenomenon observed in. Diamond ring is a phenomenon observed in A. At the start of a total solar eclipse. B. At the end of a total solar eclipse. C. Only along the peripheral regions of totality trail. And D. Only in the central regions of totality trail. Where we found diamond ring is a phenomena only along the peripheral regions of the totality trade. Along the peripheral regions of the totality trade. Third one, the time taken by sun to revolve around the center of our galaxy is. So very important question we noticed in many exams like CTET, SET, CATET, NET, or maybe and also in many UPSC and BSc exams, very important. And what is the time taken by the sun to revolve around the center of our galaxy? A. 25 million years, B. 100 million years, C. 250 million years, and D. 500 million years. So the right answer is 250 million years. So time taken by the sun to revolve around the center of our galaxy is 250 million years. Fourth one. The first bird believed to have appeared on the surface of Earth in which years ago? The first bird believed to have appeared on the surface of the Earth in A. 300 million years ago, B. 200 million years ago, C. 150 million years ago, and D. 100 million ago. Right answer is C. 150 million year ago. Then moving to the fourth, color of a star is an indication of. The star's color indicate which aspect? A. Distance from sun. B. Luminosity. C. Distance from earth. And D. Temperature. So color of a star is an indication of. Answer is temperature. So the star's color reflects its actual temperature. Then 6. The greatest diversity of animal and plant species occurs in. The large diversity of animal and plant species occur in temperate deciduous forest. B. Tropical moist forest. C. Heavily polluted river. D. Deserts and savannas. Right answer is tropical moist forest. We all know that in moist forest means the forest with receive large number of rainfall. Okay, and in such forest we can find large number of animals and plant species, or other way flora and fauna. What is flora? Different variety of plants are known as flora. Fauna, wide variety of animals are called fauna. So, large diversity of animal and plant species can be occur in tropical moist forests. Then, seventh one. So, match the following. Match list 1 and list 2 with select the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1 with list 2. List A. Farthest planet of solar system. B. Largest planet of solar system. C. Planet second from sun in the solar system. And D. Planet nearest to sun. List 2. Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn. So list. The right answer is 4, 3, 2, 1. That is 4, 3, 2 1. A. 4. Farthest planet of solar system is Neptune. 3. അടുത്തത്. Next one. The largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. Planet second from Sun in the solar system is Mercury. And planet nearest to the Sun is Venus. Okay, then 8 1. When there is noon at IST, what is IST? Indian Standard Time, Meridian, people on another place on earth are taking their 6 o'clock morning tea. The longitude of the place is when there is noon at Indian Standard Time, Meridian. People of another place of earth are taking their 6 o'clock morning tea. Then the longitude of the place is A 70 degree 13 east, 7 degree 30 west, C 172 degree 30 east and 90 degree west. Answer is 7 degree 30 west. 9. The planet nearest to the earth is, we all know, the planet nearest to earth is Venus. Okay. Then what is a celestial phenomena occurring due to star? Which is a celestial phenomena in this occurring due to stars? A. Ozone hole, B. Black hole, C. Rainbow, and D. Comet. The right answer is black hole. Then 11. The satellite of which one of the following country have helped in preparation of detailed and complete map of Antarctica? A. Canada, B. France, C. Russia, and D. USA. For which country map help in location of or preparation of detailed map of Antarctica? That is Canada. Then next is consider the following regarding asteroids. Asteroids are rocky debris of varying size. Most of asteroids are small, but some have diameter as large as 1000 kilometer. And third one, orbit of asteroid is between Jupiter and Saturn. So which of the following are the correct one? Option A 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B 2 and 3. C 1 and 2 and D 1 and 3. 1 and 2 are correct. That is, asteroids are rocky debris of wide size orbiting around the sun. Next is, most of asteroids are small but have a diameter as large as 1000 kilometer. Next is, the solar eclipse achieve totality only limited geographical region because option size of shadow on earth is small compared cross section of earth. Earth is not smooth flat surface but has elevations and depression. Trajectories of earth around the sun and moon around the earth are not perfect. Sun rays can reach most a peripheral region of shadow due to atmosphere refraction. The right answer is size of shadow of moon on earth is small as compared to cross section of earth. 14. Consider the following astral bodies: Ceres, Venus, Mars. Correct sequence arranged in decreasing order of their brightness. Order is 1, 2, and 3. Sirius, Venus, Mars. Based on their brightness, decreasing order of their brightness. 50. Length of its day and tilt of axis are identical to those of Earth. Length of its day and axis tilt identical to those of Earth, similar to Earth. This is true of similar to Earth. Which planet among these are similar to Earth in terms of length of day and tilt of axis? A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Saturn, D. Mars. It is Mars. Next, even though Pluto is usually farthest planet, its path is highly elliptical, crossing inside the path of some other planet as a result for a period of 20 years from 1971. Farthest planet is not Pluto. Then the next, now the farthest planet is Neptune. Next, a meteor is dash. A rapid moving star, piece of matter that entered atmosphere from outer space, a constellation spot, a comet without tail. A meteor is a piece of matter that entered atmosphere from outer space. 80. On which planet was spacecraft Magellan found? Which planet spacecraft Magellan sent? Option A Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Venus. Though Magellan was launched in Mars. So which planet Magellan was launched in Mars? 19th. One astronomical unit is the average of dash. One astronomical unit average distance between Earth and Sun, Earth and Moon, Jupiter and Sun, Pluto and Sun. Right answer is Earth and Sun. The correct sequence of the given planet according to increasing order of their distance. Answer is Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. So, thank you, and we will come in next day with another questions. Okay, bye.